An alpha particle collides head on to a stationary lead nucleus. And in second case, it collides head on to a free to move lithium nucleus. So stationary free here means the lithium nucleus is initially at rest, but it can move. But in this case, it is stationary, it does not move at all. We need to find what is the minimum distance if initial kinetic energy of the alpha particle is given. So we'll do it this problem with our basic collision equations, or where we conserve the energy and momentum. So in first case, this nucleus is at rest, so the final velocity of this particle will become 0, and then it will go back to its original path. So we'll balance energy. The kf minus ki plus uf minus ui is 0. Final kinetic energy is 0, and initial potential energy is 0. So final potential energy is k q1 q2 by r, and ki is given to us. So from here we can find this distance r, which is the minimum distance between the two nuclei. Now second part, the nucleus of lithium is free to move, so at minimum distance both will have same velocity. And of course, after this moment, this velocity will further increase and the velocity of alpha particle will decrease. But at this precise moment, when the distance between them is minimum, then the velocities are equal. So here both the particles are moving, so there is no external force present. So we can conserve angular momentum as well. Here we could not do that because to keep this nucleus at rest, we had some external force. So we could not conserve momentum. But here both are free, so we are going to conserve momentum as well. So by energy conservation first, the energy of the alpha particle, the final energy that is, plus energy of the lithium nucleus, plus potential energy of the system is equal to initial kinetic energy, because initial potential energy is 0. So this is our first equation, and second, from momentum conservation, initial momentum is root 2 m alpha into t, and final is m alpha plus ml into v. So these two equations, there are two variables v and r. So solving this, we can find the value of r, which is the minimum distance between the two particles.